Morning, first BC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Some functions, graphs. Okay, signum function, step x function, greatest integer function. The some functions, graphs we have to learn. So today, the last and final graph, polynomial function graph. First definition: a function f from R to R, a function f from R to R is said to be polynomial function, is said to be polynomial function if for each x in R, if for each x in R, y is equal to f of x is equal to a naught a0 plus a1x plus a2x plus and so on plus an x power n, so, where n is a non-negative integer, non-negative integer. Okay, n is a non-negative integer, negative integer, non-negative non-negative integer, that means positive integer. Positive integer means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are all only natural numbers. Positive integers is nothing but natural numbers, 1, 2 and so on. A0 to A1, An are belongs to R, negative, positive or any real numbers. Only ఈ పవర్ n అనేది కంపల్సరీ నాన్ నెగిటివ్ ఇంటీజరే. Examples, polynomial examples: x cube minus x square plus 2. This is the polynomial. This polynomial of degree 3, highest one. This is constant, constant degree 0. The degree of constant is 0. This is 2, this 3, highest one is 3. So the total polynomial of degree is 3. So x power 4 plus root 2 into x. Powers is non-negative integers, but values a0, this is what? Coefficients. a0, a1, a2 and so on, an are called coefficient of the polynomial. Coefficient gunaka coefficient. So a1 is the coefficient of x, a2 is the coefficient of x square. So an is the coefficient of x power n, coefficient 2. Okay, so coefficients are real numbers or any root, negative, positive, fraction or any, but powers is only non-negative integers. Okay, so here third one, x power 2 by 3 plus 2x is not a polynomial. Why not a polynomial? The power is fraction. What is the power? Power is what? Non-negative integer. So integer means this is numbers only, positive, negative numbers only. Non-negative means positive integers. So and plus 1, plus 2 only, not 2 by 3, 2 by 4. This is, so power is non-negative. There is no non-negative. So this is real number. So this is not a polynomial. This equation not a polynomial means there is no degree. Polynomial means polynomial function only the polynomial function have the degree only. Any degree, 100, 1000 or any degree and so on, plus and so on, an into x power n. So only polynomial function has a degree. So not a polynomial function does not have the degree. There is no degree, not defined. Degree is not defined because this is a not polynomial. Why this given function is not polynomial? The power is fractional or negative also. Some more example. For example, x power minus 2 plus x plus 1. No, this is not a polynomial because of power is negative integer. Here non-negative integer, n is non-negative integer. So many examples are there. Quadratic equation also quadratic equation equal to 0, quadratic equation without equal to 0, quadratic also, expression also one of the polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c. This is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 means equation only not equal to 0, there is no equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c, only ax square plus bx plus c. This type of expression is called a polynomial of degree. Polynomial also has the single variable, okay, quadratic equation, linear equation, bicubic equation, biquadratic equation, these all are single. Polynomial also single variable, any variable but single. F of x means a1x, a2x square plus and so on, an x power n. So at the same way, f of y is equal to, y is also variable, f of y is equal to a0 plus a1 into y plus a2 into y plus a2 into y square plus and so on, an y power n. No, not only x variable. Polynomial has not only x, any variable x, y, z, any variable but single variable. This is the history of polynomial equation. So polynomial function, a graph is impossible because and so on up to this is x power n, impossible. That's why, so definition is a polynomial function definition, and the graph is another one. F of x is equal to x square, f of x is equal to x cube, f of x is equal to x square plus 1. This is any type of problem will given in our examination. So f of x is equal to x square graph. So define polynomial. The domain is what? You take x value, you have to take x value, any value means r. So domain r. Okay, range means what? F of 1, no, means what? 1 square 1, f of 2 square, f of 3 square, f of root 2 whole square. So this is domain r, range is directly, this is plus infinity to minus infinity. Positive numbers, so x square is nothing but positive numbers. So f of 0, f of root 2. Okay, so maybe this is range is equal to x square such that x belongs to r, or 0 to infinity. This is the textbook answer. Anyone positive, x square is always positive. So you don't know which type of values are will come, means 1 square, 2 square, root 2 whole square, root 3 whole square, so anyone. So this is the textbook notation, this is the or any otherwise notation. Okay, 0 to infinity. So this is, we can write safely. Okay, this textbook notation will write. So graph f of x cube, x square, x power 4. So any type of graph. Okay, clear? First box. x f of x is equal to x square, for example minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 means minus 3 whole square 9, minus 2 means 4, minus 1 1, 0 0, 1 1, 2 4, 3 9. Okay, so negative values ಏನಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0 2 4 6 8 10 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 8. Okay, this is also 2 4 6 8. 2 means this is 1 2 4, this is 3 6, this is 5 8, this is 7 10, this is 9. Okay, so this dot means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. So normally in the graph each box equal to 1 unit. Here one box equal to 2 units. Okay, because of this is length, square means up to 9, so this is length. Okay, so first minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 means 9, minus 3 9, minus 2 4, minus 2 4. Next minus 1 minus 1 1, minus 1 1, 0 0, 1 1. Next 2 4, 3 9, this one. Okay, you have to take, you can take up to 10 is not end, 12 14 also you can take so many numbers. So this value is length, the graph is length, the values are the big values, so you taken each box equal to 2 units. Okay, so this one polynomial function. Homework, f of x is equal to x cube. Homework. Define polynomial function, same definition. The function is f of x is equal to x cube. Domain R, range equal to set of all x cube such that x belongs to R. Domain. Okay. So the relations and functions are, the chapter is completed. The next chapter is mathematical induction. The next chapter is mathematical induction. So before going to the mathematical induction, some introduction is there, some fundamental introduction. Okay, I will give some introduction. First, the number, first, what is the natural numbers? First, natural numbers, listen carefully. Natural numbers. Natural. What is natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to n. All positive numbers are called natural numbers. Okay now, next. Sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on plus m. Sum of n natural number. Formula n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of square. Sum of square of n natural number. Sum of square of n natural numbers. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus and so on plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 formula. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Cubic. Cube of sum of cube of sum of cubes. Cubes of n natural numbers. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus and so on plus n cube is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. For example, sum of first 10 natural numbers. Sum of first 10 natural numbers. Actually, sum of first 10 natural numbers means 1 plus 2, adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Adding, this is the normal procedure. 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27 plus 34, 40, 45, 49, 52, 54, 55. This is the 55. This is the normal method. So 1 to 10 is okay. So 1 to 100. Sum of first 100 natural number. 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on 100. It is possible. We calculate using calculator. First 100 plus 99 plus this is. Sum of first 1000 natural numbers. Calculator also is impossible. It possible but time taken. Possible but time taken. Formula, what is n? Here n is equal to 10 because 1 to n. Here how many numbers? 1 to 10. 1 to 10 means n is equal to 10. So what is the formula? Sn. N into n plus 1 by 2. 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. So 10 into 11 by 2. 2 ones, 2 5s. That is equal to 55. This is enough. Sum of first 1000 numbers. 1000 into 1000 not 1 by 2. 500 into 1000 not 1. Simply calculate. This is the formula. Next, sum of the squares of first 10 natural numbers. Also same procedure. 10 into 10 plus 1 into 10 is equal to 10. This is the problem, simple formula, very fundamental formula, basic formula. N into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the squares, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 2. 6. N square into n plus 1 by 2. So, okay, this is the one of the model. Next, okay, clear. Next one. Next one, no? Write first first 10 natural numbers. First 10 natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 natural numbers means 1 to starting number, starting 1. 1 to 10 numbers means last number is 10 number. So, the number starting with 2. Write 10 natural number. Write 10 natural number. 1 to write 10 natural numbers. 2 to and so on. Okay, listen carefully. Write 10 natural numbers. Write 10 natural numbers means the starting number is 0 to 10. Okay. Write 10 natural number. Write 10 natural number. Starting number is 2. Starting number with 2. Means what? How many numbers? Starting number 2. Starting number 2. You will write 10 natural number. You will write 10 natural numbers means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here n is equal to 10, for example, 10 is equal to n for example. So starting number, starting from 1 to 10 means 10 numbers only. So 10 numbers, starting number is 2. First number 2, starting number from the 2. So how many number? Last number is what? 11. 11 means what? 11 means what? 10 plus 1. 11 means what? 10 plus 1. So for example, write n numbers. Write n numbers means what? 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Write n numbers from the starting number is 2. Okay, 1 to n, 2 to 2, 3, 4. Here one letter is missing. One letter is missing means covered the last number. Here one letter is missing means the last number, one number is extra. Extra you will write, you have to write. Understand? First to the starting number 2 means for 1 is missing. 1 is missing means the one number, one number and one number, not only number 1. Single number missing. That single number covered by last number. Okay. The single number missing andre a missing number illi cover madkobeku, last one extra madidra 10 agtu. 1 to 10, 2 to 11, 2 to 11, 2, 4, 5 and so on n plus 1. Write n number, starting number is 3. 1 to n, 2 to n plus 1, because the single number is missing, so covered plus 1. We have to write extra one number, last number. So n plus 1. So write to n numbers, the starting number is 3. The starting number is 3 means how many numbers are missing? 1 to 2 numbers are missing. 2 numbers covered with n plus 2. Okay. So 1 to 10 numbers. 1 to 10 numbers up to 10. To starting with 2, the 10 numbers we have to write 10 numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 number 10. So write 10 numbers. The starting number is 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here how many numbers are missing? So the numbers we have to write extra. How many numbers are missing? The last one is that numbers. That count is extra, we have to write. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 1 to n, 2 to n plus 1. These are also n numbers but different numbers. Okay, these are same numbers, not a same number. One missing, here 11 missing. Okay, so count to ఇది 1 to n means n numbers, 2 to n plus 1 also n numbers, 3 to n plus 2 also n numbers, but n numbers but different numbers. So write number n numbers, write n numbers, the starting with 0, starting with 0. Starting with 0 means starting 1 to n. So here we not missing. The first number is one extra number. First number, one extra number. So 1, 2, 3 and so on. N minus 1. So write 10 numbers. Write 10 numbers. Starting number is 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Starting with 0, ending minus 1. One extra, last one minus 1. Here one missing, last one plus 1. Here two numbers are missing, the last plus 2. Understand? Are you clear? Okay. This is. Next 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. What is the last number? 2n. What is the last number? 2n. This is the first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 10th term. Okay. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, next 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, last n. So the starting number 2, not next 3. 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the, observe them, this is sequence. The difference is 2. The difference is 2 and all numbers are even numbers. All numbers are even number. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, n. So, okay, here in the subject, the nth term, this is called nth term. Nth term. Okay, in the nth term, okay, in the nth term, put n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 means first term. N is equal to second term. N is equal to 1, no, here, no, see, 2 into 1, 2. N is equal to 2. N is equal to n means nth term. N is the nth term. So n is equal to 1 means in the nth term, n is equal to 1. Substitute n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. First term. 2 into 1, 2. N is equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4. N is equal to 3. 2 into 3, 6. This is sequence. All numbers sequence ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು nth term ಕಂಡಿಡ್ಕೋ. ಆ nth number ಇಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ n is equal to 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಪುಟ್ n is equal to 3, you have to get third term. N is equal to 4, fourth term. Understand? So even numbers nth term 2n ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ nth term n. ಅದು ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్ ఎంత టర్ము 2n. ఆడ్ నంబర్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1 3 5 7 అండ్ సో ఆన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్. ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ ఎంత టర్ము? ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ ఎంత టర్మ్ ఈజ్ 2n minus 1. So put n is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 first term. n is equal to 2. 2 into 2 minus 1. 4 minus 1 3. n is equal to 3. 2 into 3 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So natural numbers ki enta term n, even numbers enta term 2n, odd numbers enta term 2n plus 1. Okay, the odd number starting with 1 means 2n minus 1. Starting with 3 means starting with 1 means 2n minus 1. Starting with 3 means 3, 5, 7 and so on means 2n plus 1. Okay, the odd number starting with 1 means the nth term is 2n minus 1. The odd number starting with n, starting with 3 means the nth term is 2n plus 1. Put n is equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus 1 3. Okay, clear? So this is today will all are perfect. If all are perfect, then tomorrow I will continue chapter. This is perfect ಆಗಿದ್ರ ಇದು ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗಿದ್ರ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 5 marks question ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.